Hi friends, it's Mrs. K. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial about how to make your own origami paper in case you want to do the Origami Owl project, but all you have at home is rectangular paper, like from a notebook or a regular piece of construction paper. So, first thing you'll do is fold the paper like you were making a fortune teller. It's a little hard to see here, but you can see I'm lining up the edge to make a triangle. Once I got it lined up, I can squeeze the seam there. And now I'm going to carefully take scissors and cut off this part that's hanging off. Now when I unfold the paper, it's a square and I can make an origami project. A lot of times origami paper is blank on one side and decorated on the other. So after you make your square, you can take whatever art supplies you have at home and you can decorate it however you want. I'm just going to do quick little stripes on my paper with pink and green. And now I have colorful origami paper. So I can make a colorful green and pink origami owl. Once you finish the owl, it'll look something like this. And actually my husband drew eyes and a nose on him. So that's something you can do too. Here's his little wings and back. Okay guys, have fun. I'll talk to you soon.